Welcome to this 20-minute post-hike or post-run yoga flow. So we'll begin in mountain pose, standing tall with the arms by your sides. If you'd like, softening your gaze or closing your eyes, and feel your weight through all four corners of each foot, allowing the crown of your head to float up. And notice where you're holding tension. And gently bringing your weight into one foot, and then the top of the foot pressing into the mat to gently stretch the ankle without force. Notice the small stabilizers that worked hard today, offering them release. As you're ready here, gently releasing that side and switching to the opposite leg and ankle. Bringing awareness to the breath. As you're ready, releasing here. Soften the knees and letting the arms swing side to side, twisting from the waist. Letting the arms be light. Maybe your hands gently tap the low back or your hips as you swing side to side. And gradually slowing down that twist as you bring right arm across the body, using the left hand to support you here. Breathing into the back of the shoulder. Letting each inhale create space. On an exhale, releasing those arms and inhaling them overhead. Interlacing fingers pointing through the index finger as you reach up and over to the left, rooting through both feet evenly. Feel the whole side seam of your body stretch. Inhale to come up through center, releasing the arms and left hand and arm across the body. Maybe looking over that left shoulder. Inhale as you breathe in space and exhale to soften. Releasing those hands, inhale, arms overhead, and this time reaching up and over to the right, rooting through both feet evenly. Feel the whole side seam of your body stretch. Maybe noticing if one side feels tighter than the other. And inhale to center, releasing those arms. Hands to the hips, stepping right foot back at a 45. Bending through that front knee, squaring the hips to top of the mat. Coming into a warrior one with eagle arms. So as you feel steady in the hips and the legs, maybe hugging yourself here or crossing right arm over the left, palms towards each other. Breathing in space to those shoulders as you lift the elbows, shoulders dropping away from the ears. Notice if there's tension here and release. Hands to the hips, finding length through the legs on an inhale and exhale as you hinge forward. Rounding through the spine as you release hands down, tucking chin towards the chest, rounding back body. Continue pressing firmly into those feet to find length through the legs. Breathing into any tension. On an inhale, finding flat back. Hands to the hips or low back and pressing through those feet. Inhale up with a long spine. Stepping to the top of your mat. And switching sides, left foot back at a 45, bending through that right knee, squaring hips to the top of the mat. And once again, taking those eagle arms here, this time crossing left arm over the right, or hands to the shoulders as if you're hugging yourself here. Inhale to lift those elbows, and exhale, shoulders down, the back away from the ears. Breathing into the space, pressing firmly through that back heel, opening up the calf. Releasing hands to the hips, extending through both legs. Inhale to find length through the spine, and exhale as you hinge forward from the hips, rounding through the back body as you release hands down to the mat. Chin tucked to the chest. Continue pressing through those feet to find length through the backs of the legs. Creating space through the shoulders as you breathe. On an inhale, looking to the top of the mat, planting those palms and stepping yourself back into downward facing dog. Checking in with the backs of the legs if you like, pedaling out the feet. Notice what shifts here. Letting this be a moment to stretch the calves, lengthen the spine, and gently re-centering. On an inhale, rolling the body forward to plank, and from the toes or the knees, exhale all the way down to the mat, untucking toes, coming to cobra or maybe upward facing dog. Breathing into that front body, pressing into tops of the feet, elbows by your sides, shoulders down away from the ears. Feeling that front body lengthen. Breathing deep into the belly. And as you exhale, slowly lowering back down. Left arm coming across the mat for support and drawing that right heel towards the hip. If you can, grabbing hold of that foot, intentionally tucking the pelvis here to increase that stretch through the quads. Softening into this front part of the thigh. On an exhale, releasing and drawing that left heel towards the hip, resting forehead on that right arm. Tucking the tailbone and the pelvis to increase that stretch. Breathing into that space. Gently releasing here, placing the hands on the mat, tucking toes, pressing back into an active child's pose. Knees wide, arms long. Reaching the fingertips and the arms forwards. Rounding those hips towards the heels. And breathing into the low back. On an inhale, walking hands in towards the body, coming into a toe stand. So tucking all the toes under, sitting back on those heels. Dropping left ear to the left shoulder, rolling the chin to the chest, coming to the other side, and allowing the breath to guide you as you roll the neck. So taking your time from one side to the other, maybe pausing if there's any areas of tension that you'd like to focus on. And coming back to center as you're ready. Gently walking yourself forward to all fours, untucking the toes, and maybe tapping the tops of the feet, letting that go. Engaging the core as you come through plank, pressing hips up and back to down dog. Inhale, right leg to the sky, bending the knee, and then circling that leg inwards 4 times. On the 5th circle, bringing that knee through towards the right wrist, laying shin across the mat to find your pigeon pose, untucking back toes. So maybe staying upright here, or folding forward and rest the head. Letting the hips unravel. No pressure to be flexible, just present with your body here. bringing awareness to the breath. And with your next exhale, maybe intentionally letting any tension go, softening the face. And then walking those hands back in towards the body, tucking back toes under, pressing to downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg to the sky, bending the knee and circling that leg in 4 times. Notice how it feels to open up through that hip joint. And on that 5th circle, bringing knee towards the left wrist, lengthen across the mat, untucking back toes to find your pigeon pose. So either staying here or walking those hands forward, resting the forehead on the mat or the arms, letting the hips unravel, bringing your awareness to the breath. And this time taking a deep inhale through the nose. As you exhale, exhaling through the mouth, imagining any tension leaving the body with the breath. On an inhale, walking those hands into the body, gently bringing weight into the left hip and swinging those legs around, bringing feet mat distance apart, hands behind you, and windshield wiping those legs side to side, creating some movement here. As you're ready, bringing left foot in towards that right hip, and then either keeping the right leg bent here or crossing that leg over the left, bringing top of the foot in towards that left hip crease and finding a reclined lotus. So maybe you're on your hands, maybe you walk back onto the forearms, or maybe you're all the way on your back, finding the position that you can hold for a little while here. Releasing through the groin, the tops of the feet, the quads. Breathing into any areas of tightness or tension. And as you're in this posture, notice if the knees have lifted up, actively imagining pressing them down towards the mat. Take your time to come back up here. Uncrossing those legs, windshield wiping the legs side to side. Notice how that feels. Checking in with the breath. As you're ready, coming to the opposite side, so top of the right foot towards that left hip, either keeping left knee bent here or crossing left leg over right, foot in towards that right hip crease. Notice one side may feel entirely different from the other. So taking your time here to find your positioning, your edge. As you come back, if those knees lift up, see if you can soften them down towards the mat, pelvis becoming heavier, or if you need to, slightly coming out of the posture. I invite you to release some tension with the breath. So taking a deep inhale through the nose, and maybe sighing that out with the breath as you exhale. Pressing yourself back up and gently coming out of this posture. As you come up, grabbing hold of that left foot with the right hand, interlacing all 5 fingers between all 5 toes, heel of the hand hugging that foot, and then crossing left foot and ankle over the right leg, coming into some ankle circles. If you can, direct this movement with the hand and the arm, letting that leg be relatively relaxed and changing the direction of those circles. As you let that go, coming into a foot massage. So applying pressure where you feel is necessary. Maybe that's in the arch, the heel, the toes. As you're ready, switching sides here, interlacing the left fingers into the right toes, crossing that ankle over the left thigh, and then coming into those ankle circles, slowly in one direction. Notice any tension or stickiness in the joint. Maybe moving in the opposite direction with those circles. And then coming into that mini massage of the foot, using whatever pressure feels good for you today. Releasing here and finding your way onto your back on the mat. As you come back, drawing knees towards the body, hands to the tops of the knees, and making very small circles in a clockwise direction. Releasing the low back, maybe changing directions of that circle. Extending the right leg long as you draw the left knee in, and exhale, twisting to the right, looking over left shoulder. Breathing into the belly and the ribs. Letting the legs become heavy. Engaging the core as you come back through center, extending left leg long, hugging right knee to the chest. And exhale as you twist to the left, maybe looking over that right shoulder. Breathing into the belly and ribs. Softening shoulders towards the mat. Engaging the core as you come back through center, extending both legs long, making any final adjustments to get comfortable here on your back. Arms out to the sides, and feel the ground holding you. There's nothing to do. Letting all of your practice integrate here. Notice what feels more open in the body or the mind. Knowing that I'll be here to guide you back when it's time. And for now, soaking in the stillness, the silence. And then inhale, reaching right arm overhead, bending the knees, and gently rolling onto your side, using that arm as a pillow. Pressing yourself up to a comfortable seated position. And as you come to seated, inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, hands through heart center. Namaste.